If you're a future leader with a strong academic background and you'd like to compete for a brilliant opportunity to study in the UK, then listen up now, because this year's UK Achieving Scholarship Scheme is now open for applications. And I want to see as many talented Somalis as possible compete and bid for this life-changing experience. Last year we were able to send 6 talented Somalis to the UK to study. This year we want to send even more. Seeing Somali talent develop through these scholarships is incredibly rewarding.
I'm really very excited to be a Achieving Scholar. If you have a good academic background, a lot of leadership skills and networking connections, I encourage you to apply.
Many former Achieving Scholars are now at the very forefront of rebuilding Somalia.
With all these brilliant Javanese scholars and with various levels and the generous support of the United Kingdom and the UK Embassy for Somalia, I think we can make a big difference in Somalia.
So please consider applying yourself or sharing this information with friends, colleagues or family who may be interested. The deadline, that's the 7th of November 2018, and you can get all the information you need at the achieving.org website or the British Embassy Mogadishu's own Facebook pages.